Right, we finished shopping here at Pino Plus. So the time now is 2:45, and now we're heading to Bunnings. By the way, I need to go to Bunnings to buy a builder mix and cement for my grass footpath ramp and other concrete works that I need to do this month or next month. Okay, please stay with me, and we're heading to Bunnings Warehouse. Hopefully they will allow us to go inside, since I haven't booked my I forgot to book my materials that I need for my concrete footpath. Yeah, basically we need to book a prior pickup, but we'll see. I'll take this chance. Like what I said, normally you need to book your materials before going to the shop or before going to Bunnings Warehouse, so that they can prepare it and pick it up when it's ready. But this time I haven't done anything, so I'll just take the chance. If they don't allow me to go inside, then it's okay, since I'm already here outside, so I just grabbed the opportunity. It seems it's gonna be rain tonight or tomorrow. Alright, we are now here in Bunnings. I hope they allow me to go inside and order my concrete. What's wrong with this? Okay. Oh. see, pick up and collect, drive and collect. I see. So they won't allow anyone to go inside the warehouse. So okay. Alright, folks, I think I need to turn this video off because I have to wait for quite a while before I talk to the guy. Okay, thank you so much, and have a good day.